Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send personalized bulk emails in Gmail. This is a game changer if you need to reach multiple people with customized messages without manually typing each one out. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head to mail.google. Come to access your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, shift your attention to the right side of your screen. You'll notice a plus icon with the label Get Add-ons. Click on it. This is where you'll find tools that extend Gmail's functionality, and today we're adding one that makes bulk emailing incredibly simple. A pop-up window will appear, which is the Google Workspace Marketplace. At the top of this window, you'll see a search bar labeled Search Apps. Type in YAM and hit Enter. Look for the add-on called Yet Another Mail Merge and click on it. This tool is specifically designed to let you send personalized emails to large lists without breaking a sweat. Next, click Install and follow the prompts that appear to add YAM to your Google account. You'll need to grant the necessary permissions for it to work with your Gmail and Google Sheets. Don't worry, this is standard for add-ons to function properly. Now that YAM is installed, open a new tab and go to sheets.google.com to create a new spreadsheet. This spreadsheet will serve as your contact list and personalization database. In the first row, add headings like email, first name, last name, or any other custom fields you want to include in your emails. In the rows below, fill in your recipient's information, making sure each column matches the headings you created. Once your spreadsheet is ready, head back to Gmail and compose a draft email. Here's where the magic happens. Use placeholders that match your spreadsheet column names, but wrap them in double curly brackets. For example, type S-det first name SD where you want each recipient's first name to appear. This tells YAM where to insert personalized information. With your draft saved, return to your Google Sheets. Click on Extensions in the top menu, then select Yet Another Mail Merge and click Start Mail Merge. A sidebar will appear on the right. Choose the sender name you want recipients to see, then select your draft email from the drop-down menu. Review everything to make sure it looks correct. Finally, click Send Emails to start the process. YAM will automatically send a personalized version of your email to everyone on your list, replacing placeholders with the actual information from your spreadsheet. And that's it. You've just sent personalized bulk emails without the hassle of doing it manually. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.